How to get Bell Fibe TV on Samsung Smart TV. First, you want to check if Bell Fibe TV app is available. So go to the home screen on your Samsung Smart TV, open up the Samsung App Store and search for Bell Fibe TV. The app appears, click install and move to step 2. If not, proceed to step 3. Then open up Bell Fibe TV after installation. Enter the Bell login credentials. You can now stream live TV, on-demand shows, and recordings directly on your Samsung Smart TV. If the Bell Fibe TV is not on your Samsung Smart TV, use one of these: Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Google Chromecast. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port and complete the setup. Install Bell Fibe TV on streaming device. Open up the App Store on your streaming device and search for Bell Fibe TV. Download and install the app. Then launch the Bell Fibe TV app, enter your Bell Fibe account info, and start watching Bell Fibe TV content on your Samsung Smart TV through the streaming device. Open up the Bell Fibe TV app on your phone. Swipe down and tap the screen mirroring options. Select your Samsung Smart TV. Your phone screen will be mirrored to the TV. Subscribe.